Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hartford County in northern Maryland until 3:45 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bel Air South or near Aberdeen, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Aberdeen, Delaware Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Bel Air South, Bel Air North, Riverside, Pleasant Hills, Perryman, Edgewood, Darlington, Benson, Churchville, Carsons, Hartford Furnace, Abingdon, and Belcat. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Hartford, Maryland. The National Weather Service forecast for the eastern shore